Catch your break or get rid of it.
If you love warm weather, you're loving it. Now, if you're like hungering for some cold sort of November weather, it's on the way. It's just going to take several more days. Showers and thunderstorms by the end of the week. Let's talk about what's new, what's now, and what's next. The newest is the timeline on the late week storms. I'll show you those in just a second, but we have a warm and humid evening setting up for us with temperatures currently in the upper 70s. What's next? Well, the Thanksgiving forecast starting to come into view. We know it's a big travel weekend, so we'll take a look at that and just sort of a broad brushed picture. Currently, satellite and radar picture tonight, just a couple of clouds out there. Otherwise, it's becoming clear. We are watching the storm on the west coast. That's the storm system that will bring us the chance for showers and thunderstorms, but not until the second half of Thursday, overnight into Friday. Tomorrow, another warm and breezy day. 83 at Carthage, 82 at Lufkin tomorrow, 83 at Mineola, and 83 at Athens. All right, here's your rainfall forecast over the next, let's say, 5 days. We're going through no rain Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday, especially the second half of Thursday into Thursday night, an 80% chance of rain. First half of Friday, a 50% chance of rain, and then it dries out for at least the first half of the weekend. All right, here's future Skycast. I'll skip ahead to Wednesday afternoon at 4 o'clock. Temperatures in the low 80s, a couple of clouds. Yeah, maybe an isolated shower out in some of our western counties, but that chance overall less than 10%. Thursday morning, scattered showers, thunderstorms coming in from Emory up towards Sulphur Springs. They will move by and not affect or impact Tyler or Longview. By Thursday at noon, we start to increase that humidity. That'll set us up. You can see the showers starting to bubble up out here Thursday afternoon. I'll get 6 more hours of data in with some evening data, and we'll be able to update the forecast, take you out farther into time coming up tonight on CBS 19 News at 10 o'clock. Otherwise, heavy thunderstorms in here Thursday night into Friday morning. The impact, flash flooding, but some gusty, possibly brief damaging winds, and the need, of course, with the CBS 19 app and an umbrella to stay ahead of those storms. Excessive rainfall forecast is out there. Right now, we're anywhere from a isolated or marginal risk to a scattered flash flood risk up in the areas in purple from Athens to Canton, Emory over toward Mount Pleasant. So we'll keep an eye on that for you. Otherwise, it does look like the heaviest rain sets up from Texarkana back toward Emory. Maybe up to 3 to 4 inches of rainfall. Tyler to Gilmer, 1 to 1.5 to maybe 2 inches of rainfall, 1.25 inches in parts of deep East Texas, and maybe about 3/4 of an inch down toward Hemphill. All right, here's future Skycast. Thanksgiving morning. This is Thanksgiving morning. Cold front has swept through. Showers from the Ohio Valley down to the Gulf Coast. We look dry. Up to the north, if you were traveling toward Omaha, out toward Denver or Rapid City, very cold air moving into the northern plains. Snow chances from western Nebraska all the way up through the Bitterroots and a part of the northern Rocky Mountain chain up into southern Canada. Otherwise here, Baylor Scott and White Texas Spine Joint Hospital 7-day forecast, 83 the high tomorrow, then 83 again Wednesday. Weather impact alert second half of Thursday. Some PM showers, but thunderstorms Thursday night, early Friday. Morning showers Friday, giving way to cooler highs, 77 Friday, 70 on Saturday, 72 on Sunday with more showers starting to move back in and perhaps more scattered thunderstorms to wrap up Monday with a high temperature around 68 degrees. And briefly, just a look at beyond Thanksgiving to the start of December. How about near to above average temperatures and above average precipitation favored to end the month of November and get December started. We'll talk more about your 10-day forecast coming up tonight at 6.